Hey there guys, Chet here. Have you ever seen two tools that look almost exactly the same on the surface? They both talk about connecting things. They both use a visual editor with nodes and wires. And in this case, they are both open source and free to use. This is exactly the situation with two powerful automation tools, n8n and n8n. Because they look so similar, a lot of people get very confused and think they are direct competitors. They ask, which one should I learn? You know, I had this same question for a long time. I was trying to figure out which one was better. In this video, I want to tell you the story of how I learned the real difference between them. We'll look at what each tool was originally built for, what it does best, and by the end, you will understand that you don't have to choose between them. You just need to know which tool to use for which job. And since we'll be talking a lot about n8n for business and web automation, if that is what you're interested in, conveniently, I've put the links to their official website and my own setup guide down in the description. Now, let's start with n8n. To understand n8n, you have to know where it came from. It was originally created by the company IBM for a very specific purpose. It was built to connect hardware devices together. Now think about your smart home devices. Temperature sensors, smart lights, industrial equipment, all the physical things that make up the Internet of Things. Using n8n feels very technical and very close to the hardware. It is incredibly lightweight, which means that it can run on very small devices like a Raspberry Pi. Its main strength is talking in the special languages that these physical devices use to communicate. It is the absolute best tool in the world if your job is to do something like, when a door sensor detects that a door has opened, send a signal to turn on a light. It is a tool that was born to work with the physical world. Now, let's look at n8n. n8n was built with a completely different job in mind. It was designed from the very beginning to connect the world of online services, website, and business applications. Think about Google Sheets, your email, your social media accounts, your customer databases, and all the digital tools that you use every single day to run your business online. Using n8n feels like you are managing a digital office. It is focused on handling data from websites and online tools known as APIs. It makes it very easy to do things like, when a new customer fills out a form on your website, automatically add them to your email list and then create a new invoice for them. It is a tool that was born to work with the world of online data and web services. So this was the big aha moment of clarity for me. n8n and n8n are not competitors. They're two different kinds of tools for two different kinds of jobs. n8n is the tool you grab when you need to work with physical devices, sensors, and hardware. n8n is the tool you grab when you need to connect your online apps and manage your business data. Now, can you use n8n to connect some web services? Yes, you can, but it's often more difficult. Can you use n8n to connect some of your smart home devices? Yes, you can. There is a little bit of overlap between them, but each tool truly shines in its own special area. Now, for most of us, especially online business owners, freelancers, and marketers, n8n is going to be the much better and easier choice. This is because its library of pre-built connections for business apps is huge and much simpler to use. And focusing on those business workflows is where you can get incredible results. But learning how to take all of your different business apps and connect them together into one smooth system can be a big project to take on. That is the main thing that I teach inside of my school community. We focus on building real-world business automations using n8n. I have courses and templates that show you how to manage your marketing, your sales, and your customers all with n8n. If you're focused on using automation for your business, the community is the perfect place to learn. The link is down in the description. So, wrapping it all up, the choice between n8n and n8n is actually very simple when you see it this way. If you're a hobbyist or an engineer who is working with hardware and the Internet of Things, n8n is probably the perfect tool for you. But if you are like me and you're focused on automating your business, connecting your online tools, and managing data with different websites or managing data from different websites, then n8n is the clear and powerful choice. All right. That's it for this video. I really hope this clears up all the confusion between these two very amazing and powerful open source tools. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.